Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. Welcome to this evening free flow, a blend of meridian tapping plus QiGong to help you unwind and let go of the day. So let's find a quiet place to practice with me. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. We're beginning by tapping on our chest and repeating after me. I choose to take this time to let go of the weight of today. Allowing its weight to release for me. Behind only feelings of calmness and peace, knowing that the day is over, and all heavy energy and thoughts attached to today can free themselves from me. I choose to feel fully relaxed, calm and present in my body. So I can sleep deeply and recharge my battery. Let's tapping the wrist together, taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth, letting go. Once another time, deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth as you let go. Give yourself a little shake. Palm facing out, pushing towards the back. Neck rotation in one direction, making sure you're not pinching behind your neck. And rotating direction. Rotating wrist palm facing in, pushing back to open the chest and nodding up and down. And now looking side to side, keeping those hands pushed back so you're getting that opening throughout the chest, along the arms, through the neck, freeing any tightness or tension we were holding in our bodies. We are going to start with wrists going in one direction, allowing your wrists to flop open so you're getting that movement back and forth and then coming in. So again, making sure you're getting that full movement within your wrists and moving to the elbow, having our arms come in, flexing the wrists up as they come in and flopping out as you come out. And coming in. Now rest your wrist. Bend in as you come in and open as you come out. Opening every joint, every muscle within the body. And now on your shoulders, rolling back, opening up the chest. And then going forward, opening up through the upper back, the back of the neck, and then working through our waist to keeping your hips nice and still, rotating in one direction and opposite. Keeping those legs really planted and rooted in the ground. And now onto our hips, making those big rotations, opening up the center of the body, that lower back, a place where we hold a lot of tension from the day. Change your rotating directions and going down to our knees. Go ahead and put your knees together. Here you go. Knees together and rotate in one direction and then in the opposite. And the last but not least, we are going to work on our feet and legs. So as you come forward, you're going to flex your foot as you come back pointing. If you need to hold on something, feel free to do that. This is also great for working on your balance. Okay, so give yourself a little shake, bringing your hands down, scooping as you pull up, opening the hands up, giving a little flick of the wrist and pulling back down, bending at the knees, scooping, coming up, flick of the wrist and coming back down. Inhale as you scoop, exhale. Give a flick and come back, of course, down. You can visualize gathering water, washing yourself clean from the day, almost like an energetic shower, cleansing yourself the heaviness of the day, letting it free so that you can unwind and relax, coming back to center, scooping up. Inhale, exhale. As you sink and just scattering around you. Inhale up, exhale down, sinking, bending in the knees. Inhale, up. Now that you clear that energy from the day, gathering energy around you, calm, present energy, and pulling it through your body, placing your hands over your lower dantian, grounding yourself into the earth, feet strong and steady spine, nice and tall crown of the head, up towards the heavens, taking a deep breath in as you settle back into your body one more time. Deep breath in. Feeling your energy in with a small rotation on your belly and exhale, letting go of anything else that's remaining from the day. I hope you feel lighter. If you want, you can share in the comments how you feel. I always love hearing from you guys.